This is day 1 at Calbayog.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hi guys, I just woke up about an hour ago. So yeah, this is going to be my very first mini vlog. And yeah, come with me as I, at 25 years old, goes to Tacloban for the very first time. For the very first time. Get ready with me kasi we're going to Tacloban. I mean, later. We're going. Mamaya pa yung biyahe pero yeah, get ready with me. Ito yung bag na gagamitin ko. But big kasi we'll be staying there for about 3 days kasi sa 26 we'll be going home na. I'll be back. First up is clothes. Syempre. Okay, now that that's done,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm done packing my clothes and everything. Next, I'll be bringing with me my wallet, syempre. Tulad dyan ay ang shampoo. Syempre, di mawawala ang shampoo. Sunod ay sabon. I'll be bringing this with me as well. This is my blue tinted shades. Tsaka may grado na salamin. Syempre, di mawawala yung earphone. Sunod, charger. Ito yung binili namin sa Watsons. Para sa hair, toothpaste, tsaka pangmalakas ang inhaler.
Wow.
Sunscreen. Kung alam ko ano dadalhin ko. Okay, I'll be back. Di pwede ang power bank na wala. Ay, dadalhin ko na lang din pala to. Sunscreen, lotion, portable fan. Update. Baka makalimutan ko. Update na lang sarili ko. Yung dadalhin ko pa pala is backup toothbrush. Toothbrush ko ulit kasi gagamitin ko pa pala ngayon pagligo. Lotion, sunscreen, tapos portable fan. I think wala na akong nakakalimutan. Okay, maligo na ako. Bye! So, maligo. And now, I'm going to do my body care routine. First off is lotion. Mahirap na. Ilang oras yung biyahe. Aircon pa yung sasakyan. Pagbaba mo niyan, butak-butak na balot niyan. Yung siko ko ang itim. May guwada. May guwada. Fast forward ko na lang to dito kasi. Lotion lang naman to. Shit. Tapon. I'll be back. Tapos na mag-lotion.
Oh my god! What is that?
Susunod kong gawin ay maihitin to. Kasi medyo makapal na. So magbabawas dito. So I got my this. Ito na. Medyo broken na to eh. Don't know what happened. Tumawag boyfriend ko. Paubos na to. Pero ito yung ginagamit ko sa kilikili ko. This is Biflo. Before you come at me, it's actually pronounced Belfour, not Biflor. So, disclaimer, I have dyslexia, so whatever. Dalawang space lang eh. Pag ginagamit mo to, gana siya dito, namumuo. Tapos, yun yung paggamit ko. Dadalhin ko to. And, susunod, magbibihis na ako. I'm gonna be wearing these jorts. Di ko alam kung ano yung pa-partner ko dito, pero ito yung gagamitin ko. Bihis lang ako. Ito siya. Next, I'll be pairing it with these. Ay, ito. Itong dry fit na Nike. Tapos, I'll be wearing jacket. This windbreaker kasi wala akong ibang jacket. All set. Ay, wait. Yung shoes ko pa pala. I'll be pairing everything, all of this with this. Madumi nga lang. Tapos, itong hikaw, si Why Not. Ngayon, nantayin ko na lang ang boyfriend ko. Tapos, punta na kami. Ayun, pag-decide ako maglakad na lang papunta sa kanila. Kasi, naka-problema daw siya sa suot niya. Fit check! Hindi ko alam kung bagay yung suot ko pero, whatevs! Oh, powerbank di ba or Type-C to, di rin output Type-C, input to Type-C. So, ayan guys, we're here right now at Tacloban and there was a problem booking with our supposed hotel. Kasi ang hirap niya kausap. Hindi ko na lang sabihin ko anong hotel pero ang hirap niya kausap. Sabi niya, available daw yung room 3 days prior. No second day, ay 2 days before, basta maya kwento ko na lang. Naghahanap kami ngayon ng pwedeng matulugan. We're here at Vanry Hotel. Walang tao. Walang tao daw. Wala kami nakitang rooms or available na hotel dito para mag-check-in. Kaya dito kami sa labas. Kaantay. Balikan ko lang kayo guys.
Hi guys, so kanina hindi na ako nakapagtapos ng vlog kasi my battery died and we were searching for so long for a place to stay kasi we have a misconception during booking. It was so complicated that we decided not to stay there even though we already deposited some money. It was a small amount of money for three nights, but still it was the minimum requirement for their deposit in order for you to have a booked schedule from them. Anyways, we just decided not to go there anymore, and just now when we woke up, hindi na lang kami pupunta doon. Dito na lang kami sa nakita namin. Yun, mag-decide na lang kami, dito na lang kami. So, ayun, I will just be ending that vlog right then and there. Kasi super pagod na talaga ako na I was already irritated. Gusto ko nang mahiga, matulog, ganun. So, ayun, this is day 1 at Calbayog as a 25 years old na first time pumunta dito.